Hello and welcome to Tech 18. I'm Adnan, and in this video I'm going to talk about not just about this video, it's all about the series. This is specially focused on when everything changes. This is basically an awareness series. It's not about any teaching, motivational or spiritual series. Its main purpose is to bring you the awareness of your own life, what actually loss brings to your own life. Loss doesn't mean that you have lost some jewelry or money. It's actually loss about a person. It can be loss about your business. It can be loss about your relationship or your job, anything else or status in your own life. So this is going to be the interesting series. Honestly, this is my own experience. I'm talking and sharing about this. And it actually going to give you the awareness about your own life, who you are, and it can give you certain places in the series that you will think about yourself, who you are and why you are and how did you overcome with that. You can able to get aware of yourself. I'm definitely sure that this series can going to make an impact in your life. This all started because of my mother and one of my cousin, those who are expired and they have lived their life full. In my perspective, they have taught me about everything what they have learned in the life, especially my mother. My cousin's role is just a shorting one, but the main portion of the entire story is all about my mother itself. Whatever I am today, it's all because of her teachings. And the way how she has asked me or explained me to live the life is really beautiful. And I really thanks to our creator for being born from her. And for my cousin, he is just 40 plus and he has suddenly collapsed. And his life also has shocked me for this. And because of these two people, I have started writing the books, and these are the two books which I have written. If you haven't gone through that, no issues, you can just buy it out. And definitely it can give you a lot of triggers in your life. That is the main purpose of my life, to make other people get aware of their own life so that they can act how they should have to be. This series is also going to give you a glimpse of it for sure. And if you need more detail about those lives, then you can just buy those books. One book is about my life, one book is about my cousin's life. Actually, not cousin's life, what cousin's life has made an impact on my life, and it's going to impact on your life as well. Just watch out for the video series coming up here on this video channel. And if you like this one, just hit the big thumbs up button. And also, I recommend you to share this video with others so that they can also subscribe and follow along this series. Thank you for being here. See you in the first video.